Okay, this is to help with number 4 from 8.5, day 2. And we're trying to add these together. So in order to do that, we need a common denominator, which sometimes at the start is kind of hard to tell, like these denominators don't match. So how do we get them to match? And so the first key to this is to realize that you need to factor. So there's not much we can do with the denominator on the right, but the one on the left, this is square minus square. So that factors to x plus 3 times x minus 3. So this denominator is equal to these two multiplied together. X and x makes x squared. Positive 3, negative 3 makes negative 9. In the middle, 2 in FOIL would cancel out, giving you 0x in the middle. Okay, so from there, all right, so now hopefully when I look at these denominators, I'd say, okay, I can make a match as long as I can multiply this one by x minus 3. Then they will both have x plus 3 times x minus 3 as their denominators, and then we'll be able to add them together. So the denominator is x plus 3 times x minus 3 on both of these now. All right, and then the numerator is unchanged on this first one because we didn't change the fraction. And then on the second one, we're going to distribute this times 7. So 7 and then 7x, sorry, and minus 21. Okay, now the denominators are the same. So we're going to keep the denominators together and add our numerators to add the fractions. So negative 20 on positive 4 makes negative 17. And usually it's a good idea to see if this will simplify at all. Like, could we factor something out of the top and have it cancel? But on this particular question, nothing factors out. So our final answer is 7x minus 17 over x plus 3 times x minus 3. Right? And you could FOIL it. You could write the denominator this way if you want. But usually I write it in factored form. So that's it. Hopefully that helps.